What's up, YouTube? AJ Simmons checking in for the Clean Biz Network channel. I want to talk about this morning. I want to talk about your best marketing tool is yourself, okay? You know what I'm talking about. Every now and then I got to circle back around to this topic, and that's personal branding, okay? Personal branding is one of the most important things that you can do in this social media, social networking age, okay? Because I don't know if you heard the news, Jay-Z just got... he was just hired as the president of Puma for their basketball or NBA division, right? So basically, they want him to head up that division and recruit more NBA players to wear Pumas and help grow their brand and resurge it, right? But here's the thing. How does he get that position? Why doesn't Tracy McGrady get that if he was a former NBA superstar? Why doesn't Shaq or not even Shaq, Charles Barkley, so many retired NBA superstars, why don't they get that opportunity? Why would they choose Jay-Z over some of those former NBA players? Doesn't that make more sense, right? Well, here's why. It's because Jay-Z has a stronger personal brand, okay? Not to mention that he's actually a practicing business person too, right? But most importantly is because he has a huge personal brand, okay? That's why it's so important to have a personal brand. I'm not able to sell as many products online as I'm selling now if I don't have a personal brand, okay? I'm not able to get hired by Jam Pro without having an interview or doing a resume, ever filling out an application, or even looking for a job for that matter. You know what I mean? I get that opportunity because I have a personal brand. How do you get a personal brand? You got to put yourself out there. Provide some value, put it out there, and let people know what you stand for. And don't be afraid to let people know, okay? That's one of the most important things you can do and the most easiest thing that you can do. I heard Fabio Hart. Shout out Fabio Hart. If you in the cleaning business, you go check his channel out. I support that guy. But anyway, Fabio Hart spoke about one time that one of the tactics that he used in order to get customers was his local news network, okay? And so, by the way, I'm winded. I'm out of breath. That's why if I seem like I'm talking funny or stressing, that's why I'm out of breath. I just left the gym. But heard Fabio say one time one of his tactics for getting customers was to use local news networks, local press or whatever. So he got on the news, and then people will be like, they'll see you on the news, and then when you go knocking on the door, they'll be like, oh yeah, I remember you from the news channel. That's one more way to build your personal brand. You need exposure, okay? You want to put yourself out there as much as possible. That's why, it makes it that much easier. I got a customer by putting myself out there. When I was back in Portsmouth, my hometown, where my cleaning business started, I always will volunteer throughout the city. Get on boards and commissions. Go on your city website and look for different boards that you can join. Become an executive officer, okay? One of the executive directors for some of these boards and commissions in your area. You can start rubbing elbows with some of the higher business leaders in your area and the community leaders, which will help you get more exposure, okay? Join a BNI, okay? There's different ways to put yourself out there. Sorry about that. There's different ways. Let me turn that down because I'm probably going to get a lot of notifications. But there's different ways to put yourself out there, okay? And you just got to make sure that you do it, okay? Take advantage of it. Social media, put yourself on Instagram. Stop holding back. Take your damn page off for private and put yourself out there. If you own a business, you have absolutely no business having a private page, okay? If you want to promote that business, right? If you on Facebook, put yourself out there, share this stuff. Forget what they're gonna think. If the people that you worried about what they're gonna think, most of the time they're not even your customer anyway. So why do you even care what they think? Forget them. You know what I mean? Put yourself out there because the person that might be buying from you, might be interested in what you have to say. Sometimes you can get a customer just off of putting a video of you up there playing the piano because you know how to play the piano, and then a customer sees it, oh, he plays the piano, I play the piano, then they comment. Next thing you know, you get the opportunity to bid on that account, right? There's so many ways to grow and put yourself out there, but personal brand is very important because it's free, okay? With Instagram, with Facebook, with YouTube, all of these avenues are free to join and put your stuff out. So why wouldn't you do it? So like YouTube now, when you first join, you can't monetize from the beginning anymore. I think you gotta have like 1,000 subscribers before they let you monetize now, put ads in your videos. But who cares? Even if you can't get paid in the beginning stages from them, you still can monetize YouTube by once you put your information out there, maybe a customer sees you record yourself cleaning your buildings, okay? Put it out there. Hashtag your company in the tag, put your company name in the tags, put your company name in the description, put your company name in the title. And what's going to happen is your company will start to rank on Google, because YouTube and Google are one and the same. So if you can start ranking your company on Google and they find you through YouTube, guess what? That's one more way to get a customer. So maybe you weren't able to get the revenue from the ads from your YouTube video, but you got the revenue by getting an account, which pays more than the revenue from ads anyway most of the time, right? So put yourself out there. And I said all of that to say this, because y'all know my motto: everybody eats, right? This ain't Everybody Eats channel. Go subscribe to that channel, but that's still my motto. And so what I'm trying to tell you is, if you own a cleaning company and if you inspired to make videos, if you aspire to put some information out there one day, you want to teach somebody some lessons you learned in your cleaning business journey, send me your video. I'll upload it to the channel, okay? And you can report on behalf of the Clean Biz Network. I'll help promote you, okay? I'll have no problem doing that, no costs associated with that. If you want to put yourself out there, start building your personal brand, as long as it's cleaning business related, motivational, good for the entrepreneurs and stuff, I'll put you out there, all right? So send it to me, all right? But that's what I got for y'all this morning. Thank y'all for watching. Clean Biz Network, the new site, is going to be the official social network for the cleaning industry. Okay, the Clean Biz Network is about to be the official social network for the cleaning industry. So make sure that tomorrow when I launch it, that you go sign up for your free account. And then if you decide that once you get in there and you like some of the things that you see that's for the premium members, then maybe you can join and start paying your membership too, okay? So the membership is going to be $47 starting tomorrow. Today is still $25. So if you want to get in, take advantage of that, well, before it goes up tomorrow at $47, and make sure you join the day for $25, okay? But thank y'all for watching. I will talk to y'all soon. AJ Simmons reporting for the Clean Biz Network. Thank you.